Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to Original Blessing TV. Thank you for stopping by today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you this delicious, mouth-watering Achi soup I made for my family for dinner. Okay, so if you're interested in knowing how I make this light Achi soup, please stay tuned and keep watching. So in my pot, I'll be adding in my proteins. I'll be using cow beef as my protein. I'll add in my stockfish head, add in my bonga fish. I will add in my red scotch bonnet pepper and I will add in my onions. I'll add in my seasoning cube. I'm using no seasoning cube, okay? And I'll add in my salt to taste. Then I will cover my pot and transfer it to my light and allow it to cook and bring out its juice before I add in water to cook my soup. So a few minutes later, our meat has released its juice. We're going to stir gently to combine all the ingredients together for a better taste. Then we're going to add in water to cook proper. So after adding in the water, cover and allow the meat to cook proper to your taste. Then after, add in your palm oil. Add in your palm oil. I will be adding uziza seed for this recipe. So add in your ingredients. This is uziza seed I added. I'll add my black pepper, Cameroon pepper, because I really want this soup to be spicy. I'm adding my crayfish. And I will go in to add the main ingredients, Achi thickener. This is the main ingredients for this soup, Achi. So we're going to add it in and we're going to stir gently to combine and cover it to cook. Wow, our soup is cooking very well. The achi has thickened the soup. So at this point, you're going to add in periwinkle. If you have snail, you can add. I normally use periwinkle. I'll add a little pinch of oziza leaf. I want the soup to be spicy. Stir, stir to combine, and your soup will be ready. This achi soup is delicious. Our soup is ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this video to this point, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Original Blessing TV. Like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.